Okay, RV Pastor Kevin here with just a real quick tip. If you have a water heater on your RV, or your camper, or your fifth wheel, or your Class C, we all do, or your van, we all do. If you hear the flame for the water heater making this kind of a sputtering sound, here, I'll kind of show you what ours is doing here. Hear that woof woofing? You should have a solid blue flame in there, and that's blue with a little bit of orange, which is going to make some soot and make everything dirty. All you have to do is loosen this nut, or that screw right there, that screw right there, and adjust this piece right here, which mixes the gas and the air. So we'll move that just a little bit, and look at that. Now hear how quiet that is. We still got the blue flame, but it's not woof woof woofing. While air comes in here, it's getting too much air, and that's what's making that sound. So if we close that down just a little bit, you hear it quiet and immediately. All we're gonna do now is just tighten down that screw. And that's all there is to it. Real simple. It'll quieten your water heater down. Your water heater is working either way, but you don't want soot coming out of it, and you don't want that sound. You want it to be working as efficiently as possible. So hope that helped you. Real quick tip. Get out there, RV, have fun with your family. Make sure you make it to church on Sunday.